Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you the tutorial how to just a quick tutorial on how to pinch zoom while you watching the YouTube video. So let's go ahead and check on the Google's YouTube. So imagine I play a music or video, and then you see the black lines right here or the bar. That means you're not in the full screen. So if you want to play full screen, you got to pinch in, just pinch like that, or pinch back. It says original, or pinch in to zoom to fill. Okay. See, maybe I can search one of my video real quick. Man, what's going on? Forget about this ad. So for example, you get pinch and zoom. So you got the enjoy your full screen. But every time when you change it to different, when you select on the different video, it's gonna go back to regular mode. Okay. So as you can see, it look kind of ugly. That you are missing the full screen. So just make sure you pinch it. See on this one. Or you use your two thumb. So those are my Samsung S10 casing and stuff like that. You could check them out or search under the channel. So yeah, it's kind of drag because every time when you click on a new video, you just need to pinch in to zoom to enjoy the nice 6.4-inch AMOLED display. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And I will see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.